In Miami right now, there are dozens of condos that look perfect. Clean exteriors, fresh paint, landscaping on point. But those buildings are sitting on roofs that could fail tomorrow, and no one's ready for it. We'll break down what's really happening with older condo roofs in Florida, especially in 2025. We'll show you how new inspection rules and insurance standards are affecting buildings that appear fine from the outside, and what it means for property managers, HOAs, and residents alike. Let me give you some context. A mid-sized condo building in Coral Gables. No reported leaks. HOA records were clean, but during a routine inspection required by insurance renewal, engineers found soft decking and moisture trapped under the underlayment. Despite no visible damage, their policy wasn't renewed. They had to replace the entire roof fast and out pocket. Here is the part no one tells you. It's not just about leaks anymore. Florida's inspection mandates now require certified evaluations of roof age, decking, fasteners, and uplift compliance. Even roofs that look fine on top fail if they don't meet uplift or if the materials are past life expectancy, especially for tile and modified bitumen roofs. Your insurance carrier isn't sending someone to look for leaks. They're looking for technical failure points, and if they find them, denied. When a roof fails inspection or insurance is denied, it puts the whole building at risk. Emergency re-roofing projects, higher assessments, possible difficulty renewing or replacing coverage. We've seen it firsthand, and it can happen with very little warning. Now let's escalate. In Miami Beach, a 12-unit condo complex ignored its 15-year-old roof. A single denied claim turned into a $1.2 million special assessment. One roof, one failed inspection. This is why proactive inspections matter more than ever. If you manage or live in a condo building before 2010 and you haven't had your roof professionally inspected in the last 3 years, this is the time. Our team handles multi-unit inspections across South Florida and helps building owners stay ahead of insurance deadlines and building code changes. Visit our site or call to schedule your inspection today. The stakes are high, not just for repairs, but for insurability. Without a compliant roof, refinancing becomes harder, insurance premiums go up or policies lapse. And when a hurricane hits, that's when the cost truly increases. Let me give you some quick tips. If your roof is over 12 years old and hasn't had a pool test, red flag. If you don't have updated NOAAs or recent uplift letters, red flag. If no one can find the last inspection report, you are in the danger zone. The truth is, many condo roofs don't show problems until it's too late. But insurance providers and city inspectors, they're already looking. Get ahead of it, get inspected, and protect your building's value. See you on the next video.